Secretary and Professor in Department of Community Medicine to welcome the dignitaries and to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning everyone. On behalf of Organizing Committee as Organizing Secretary, it is my proud privilege to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to all the dignitaries, respected faculty members, participants and guests gathered here today for this continuing medical education program on a special category of biomedical waste and its management. At the outset, I express my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor Ma'am Padam Shri Professor Sonia Nityanand. Ma'am is presiding over this inaugural session. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, everyone. I welcome all the guests on the dais and off the dais. And actually, I feel that I am an internal person as far as work of UED is concerned. And I just want to convey to those Mr. Raveen Singh ji, who is actually the chairman of the UP Power Pollution Control Board, that I am working at agency since 1986. In this last 40 years journey, I have seen the UED kind of thing get nurtured in the campus. जैसे MBBS जैसे मेडिकल कॉलेजेस में पहले अंडर ग्रेजुएट कोर्स शुरू होता है, जब वो स्टैब्लिश हो जाता है तो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट कोर्स शुरू होता है। वैसा ही डेवलपमेंट धीरे धीरे यूडी का मैंने देखा है, फ्रॉम वेरी हम्बल बिगनिंग टू हैविंग सच ए गुड वर्क विद इन द कैंपस।
Dr. Ravin Pratap Singh, who is the chairman of the UP Pollution Control Board and the chief guest for today. Dr. Kirti Srivastava, head of the head of the University Environment Department. Dr. Parvez, who is the organizing chairman of the CME. Professor Ojha, the chief medical superintendent. Dr. D. Himanshu and Dr. Rima Kumari. All the guests, I can see a lot of faculty who have come from RML IMS. A very warm welcome to all of you, to the eminent faculty of KGMU and to all the participants. My good wishes and congratulations on this World Environment Day 2026. And congratulations to the organizing team for conducting this CME with the theme of Special Category Waste Management. And very nicely written that ensuring safety beyond segregation. So our work does not stop at segregation.
Respected Honorable Vice Chancellor, King George Medical University, Padma Shri Awardee, Professor Sonia Nityanand ji, respected dignitaries on the dais, faculty members, health workers, doctors, researchers, students, and honorable guests, and our staff from Uttar Pradesh Pollution Control Board. Good afternoon to all of you. It is a great pleasure for me to present here in such a prestigious institution in the field of medical science, KGMU. It has a high glory and high place in the field of medical science, not only in the state of Uttar Pradesh, but in the entire country. And I am truly delighted that I have been invited to be here as a chief guest. I thank to all the organizers and Professor Sonia ji for giving me such an opportunity.
Good afternoon everyone, and on the behalf of the organizing committee, I sincerely extend my heartfelt gratitude for all the dignitaries on the dais, faculty members, chairpersons, speakers, and students and staff who are here and who have made this CME a success. I'm especially grateful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Padam Shri Dr. Sonia Nityan. Ma'am, we know is very busy and we are lucky that she could take out time for this program and we are thankful for that. I'm also grateful to our Chief Guest, Dr. Ravindra Pradap Singh Ji, the Chairman of the UP Pollution Control Board, not only for coming here, sir, but we also keep on disturbing, sir, for every problem that we have in our college in UAE. And sir has been very grateful and has always helped us and guided us. Thank you, sir. I also extend our heartfelt gratitude to all of you who are here, and specifically to the organizing person, the organizing committee and all. This program is being done under the aegis of the UP ISHRAM, and I am thankful to the UED department, which of course I am also part of it and a co-member, and I am very happy that the department has always been doing this. And without taking much time, I thank you.